So now that we got our pieces cut, we're gonna use a, what is this? 80 grit sandpaper on our orbital. It's right here. And just smoothing out the edges a little bit. All right, here we go. Now this is going to take a lot of sandpaper, so take your time. Use your finger to feel the edges. You'll feel it when it's a little wavy. Depending on how anal you are, this could take 10 minutes, it could take an hour. Spend a lot of time sanding to make sure it's perfect. So. Pretty smooth. Here's our final piece. All we need to do is take off the lip from the Miata, drill some holes, and then paint this thing or wrap it. You can do whatever you want. I usually just use wrap and wrap this whole thing. Here you go. Kind of see the little details on it. I've taped the two pieces together. I opted to make the sides separate because driving on the street, usually the sides will scrape first before even the middle goes. So rather than replacing the whole piece, you just replace the little corners. I got my lip over here. So all I'm gonna do is line this up to where I want it. And then drill holes. And I got these things pretty flush using the template, so we should be good. I'm just gonna feel both sides. Okay, make sure it's where I want it. And then again, blue tape. Blue tape's your best friend. Tape it down there. We'll also tape it over here. Now this will kind of flex once you install it on the car. So you want to double check and measure. Should be 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches. Ooh, this one's way out there. See what I mean? It's pretty easy to jack these up. So 1.25 inches, inch and way more. So need to go back on this side. Perfect. That should be good. Got our lines over here. Done. So, now that we got this all set, I'm gonna draw a line in here. Now we're drawing a line on the inside lip here, okay. Let's swap our tape. It doesn't move. Now we're drawing a line inside so we know where to center the bolts and the bolt holes. Show you a close-up on that after I get this lined up. Alright, so there you go. Take this and put it back. So what I basically did is the front leading edge of the lip starts right here. The back leading edge starts over here. This middle part is the flat bottom side. So I'm gonna blow a hole here, 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 and every 6 inches. So now you know why I did this. Now let's do that and come back.